Alright, I got a hole in the wall here. Somehow it got broken out. Now this has got drywall behind it, but on top is a finished coat of plaster, a thin coat. So I'm going to take and make this hole bigger. I'll put a backing in behind here to make this good and solid before I put a piece of drywall in there to fill this in. This is that little circle hole that was in here. So I tried to square it up as much as possible. So I can put a piece of drywall back in. But right in here I'm going to put a backing that will fasten in behind the drywall here and here. Make that good and solid on this side. And then fasten into this wall stud with the drywall, and that'll hold it nice and tight. I'll show you that when I get to more the prepping of it.
Hole filled in, repairs made, finished, done.
Okay, here's a hole in the wall from a door handle on the door in the bedroom. Hitting it so hard it busted a hole in the wall. So I put a backing in, then I open this up bigger, cut it back to this joist so I can piece a piece of drywall in like I got right here to fit in the hole, good and solid. I can fasten here and in the middle, and then that's going to hold real well. I don't have to worry about that wall breaking out again for a while, not unless somebody really hits it hard. This is the other one on the other adjacent wall in the bedroom with the drywall put in and fastened down. Now I can tape it and mud it, fill that all in level, finish it down nice, and you never know it was there.